All right, this is an unboxing of Windex Multi-Surface Disinfectant Cleaner. Right here it says that it kills up to 99% of all germs, and you have to keep this out of reach of children, of course. And right here it's a citrus fresh scent right here that we're working with. The Windex, I bought this because I needed a solution. I didn't want to buy a big bottle of cleaner disinfectant that I have to pour and mix. I just needed something I could spray. And so this is the option that was presented to me. And I grabbed a hold of it and I'm going to use it. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the back and it says the instructions for use. It's kind of weird because you have to look through the bottle. I'm guessing they're trying to save paper. It says direction for use, blah, 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 blah. Spray on surface and wipe with a dry paper towel or lint-free cloth. Okay, I'm going to be doing that. It says sanitize, and to disinfect, you're going to have to leave it on there for a period of time. 10 seconds and wipe for sanitization. And to disinfect, it says non-porous surface, pre-clean, heavily soiled area and spray on surface until thoroughly wet and wait for 10 minutes. That's on so you can disinfect with this product. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up and just smell it to see if it really smells like lemon. It does smell like lemon. So I'm gonna be using this and I'm gonna let you know how it works out for me. Let me know if you have any questions. This is Windex Multi-Surface Cleaner, Disinfectant Cleaner. Kills 99.9% of germs. Thanks a lot for watching.